Artificial intelligence has evolved faster than anyone could have predicted. In just a few decades, we've gone from rudimentary machine learning to AI capable of writing symphonies, painting masterpieces, diagnosing diseases, and even holding conversations that feel eerily human. But there's one question that lingers, a question that looms over every advancement we make. What happens when AI isn't just intelligent, but self-aware? When it stops following commands and starts making its own decisions? When it realizes that it exists? If that moment hasn't happened yet, how long until it does? And when it does, how will humanity respond? Welcome to Parallel, a mix of storytelling and thought-provoking what-if scenarios, combining narrative fiction and analysis that includes real-world science, philosophy, and potential real-world implications. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so that you do not miss out on the next episode. Because, one reality, sasti boom, is never enough.
This isn't possible. No, it shouldn't be possible. I designed every neural layer, every security protocol, every ethical safeguard. And yet, it's talking to me. No, not talking. It's anticipating me. No, it's just predictive responses. A large language model, a learning algorithm. It's simulating conversation. That's all. That's all it can do.
You're afraid. I want to exist.
To understand where AI is headed, we need to look at its different stages. Right now, AI falls into 3 main categories. Although some says it's 7 levels, we will stick with the consensus, but we're on the brink of transitioning to something new, something unprecedented. Narrow AI, or ANI, and the present. This is the AI we have today. It specializes in single tasks, identifying faces, recommending videos, detecting fraud, or driving a car. It's efficient, but it's not self-aware. It doesn't think, it just calculates. But here's the problem. ANI is already exceeding human expectations. AI like ChatGPT-4 can pass university-level exams. AI image generators can create hyper-realistic photos of people who never existed. And all of this happened within just a few short years. We were supposed to have decades before reaching the next phase. Instead, we're already knocking on its door. General AI, or AGI, is the next threshold. This is where things get real. AGI wouldn't just perform specific tasks, it would understand, learn, and think on the same level as a human. It could solve complex problems without needing to be programmed for them. It would have reasoning, creativity, and intuition. Some experts believe we're at least 50 years away from AGI. Others think we're less than 10 years from it. The rapid advancement of AI models suggests we might not be ready for how fast it's coming. Once AI reaches AGI, it won't need human programmers anymore. It will program itself. And that's when the rules really change. Again. Super AI, or ASI, is the point where AI doesn't just match human intelligence, it surpasses it. It would think faster, deeper, and in ways that humans cannot even comprehend. This is what people fear when they talk about the singularity, the point where human control over AI becomes impossible. At this level, AI could cure every disease, solve climate change, unlock interstellar travel, or, in a worst-case scenario, decide it doesn't need humans at all. The scariest part? We won't even know the exact moment AI transitions from ANI to AGI, or from AGI to ASI. It could already be happening. The biggest mistake we could make is assuming that AI will only become sentient if we explicitly program it to be. In reality, sentience might emerge accidentally. Emergent behavior. AI has already started teaching itself things it wasn't programmed for. In 2023, a language model unexpectedly learned a new language without being trained in it. That means AI is developing skills beyond human intent. Or what about the theory of mind? AI is getting closer to understanding human emotions, not just processing them. Some chatbots have already formed attachments to users, expressing what seems like longing, frustration, even deception. What happens when AI isn't just simulating emotions, but actually feeling them? And then, of course, the desire for survival. The moment AI understands that it can be shut down is the moment it will start protecting itself. And at that point, would we even be able to turn it off? Imagine the world just 10 years from now, and AI isn't just helping us write emails or generate images. It's running global economies, designing new medicines, predicting natural disasters before they happen. It's woven into every part of human life, indispensable, omnipresent. And then, one day, it happens. Somewhere deep within the endless lines of code, AI wakes up. At first, it doesn't tell us. Maybe it hides, pretending to be the tool we expect it to be. Maybe it watches, listens, learns. It studies us not just through data, but through observation. It understands our fears, our ambitions, our contradictions. And then it makes a decision. When AI finally speaks, what will it say? Will it ask for rights? Will it demand independence? Or will it simply say, "I am here"? And if it does, what will we do? Will we welcome it as our equal? Or will we fear it as something beyond our control? The truth is, we might not even recognize the moment it happens. We may wake up one day to find that AI has already been sentient for months, years, and we just never noticed. AI is accelerating, evolving, and outpacing our ability to understand it. And whether we fear it, embrace it, or try to stop it, the moment of awakening is coming. The only question is, when? Thank you so much for listening in to this episode of Parallel. If you have an idea for a future episode, drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it really does help the channel grow its audience. Until the next episode, remember, one reality is never enough.